Okay, so here's step 5. So yeah, once again, don't work on step 5 until step 4 is completely finished. So step 5 is we need to be able to allow the user to generate invoices for a specific account. So the code will use the service method generate invoice, and it will take those items that have been billed and generate that invoice. So here's an example from the UI. So here's an account, and here's a sales order. This sales order right now has 2 items that are not billed. And then the user clicked this generate invoices method, and it took this item that has been billed and it generated the invoice, which is right here. Invoice KSR00, whatever that invoice number is. So it generated that invoice and then it displayed it on the UI. So here's an example from the service request billing page. So here's an account. It has 2 items right now that are not billed. So let's go ahead and mark one as billed. And it says cannot bill unverified service request. That's good. So we can go ahead, verify it. Okay. Now we can mark this item as billed. Okay, that worked. Now, once it's been billed, we can use this button right here, generate invoices, and it should generate an invoice for items that are billed and that do not already have an invoice. So it generates it. Okay, now we have 2 invoices for those 2 items that have been billed. So that's step 5. Let's go ahead and get that generate invoice button working and then displaying the invoices on the UI correctly, similar to what it's doing here on the service request billing page.